Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be our 2015 Nissan Juke front bumper accessories install. So enjoy the video.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and remove the grills off of this old front bumper. First, we're going to remove the top grill. We're going to go ahead and pull up on this rubber stopper. Take that off on each side. Put it this side. And then, right behind the bumper, to remove the middle piece, it's going to be secured with these little securing pins. I'm going to go ahead and push on the tab up, and then go ahead and push it down. And that top part comes off. The grills on each side, I'm going to go ahead and use a flathead screwdriver and remove the push pins, like that. And once that's removed, on the back, same as the middle grill, you're going to push down on these. Come right out. Same thing on this side. So in the lower grill, or the lower valance they call it, we're going to go ahead and take off these 10mm screws on each side. Then again with a flathead, you're going to remove the push pins right here. Then, just same as the upper grill, you're going to push on this tab right here. There you go. So to remove the license plate bracket, you just need a screwdriver. Take that off, 2 screws, comes right off. Alright, so we got a new bumper here. We're going to go ahead and install back all the little accessories. I'm putting it on the floor. I wouldn't recommend it putting on bare concrete. You might scratch the ends. But with our floors, it's almost like a tarp system, so it doesn't scratch up any of our bumpers. But make sure you have it on like cardboard or something like that. For the most part, go ahead and put this in there, in this hole. Make sure all the holes are all lined up. There you go. Those all lined up. Go ahead and put that in. And put your plastic push pin back in. you're unsure if it's lined up, you can also look behind here. It's all lined up. Alright, so we're going to put the middle portion back in. Just going to go ahead and line this up with the holes. Actually, make sure these line up with the holes right here. There you go. Okay, perfect. Alright, so this one right here, I put it at a stance, a lot easier for me to put it on. So basically, you're gonna line up these, I forgot what you call them, but I guess you just line these up to the holes. Alright, once you push down the lower valance, go ahead and get your screws and screw it back on. Alright, so now we push down this push pin. We're ready to go install the bumper.
Thanks for watching part 2 of our Nissan Juke bumper series. Leave a like if this helped you out. And as always, visit ReveMoto.com for all your painted part needs. Thank you.